Mask up. Oh, it's on. I didn't realize. I thought we were starting. Ice cream? Yeah, but I have no more hands right now. I'm a Christmas tree now, Zuzu. Okay. Look, Zuli. We're starting. Alright, let's start, Zuli.
Is it pop?
Yeah, it's a pop. Show your face. Hi. Rocket, say hi.
Hello. I'm a Christmas tree. Do the ice.
There you go. That's the elf behind the Christmas tree. Hi, I'm the Christmas tree, if you didn't notice. You thought it was that Christmas? No, this is the Christmas tree. I am known as the Merry Christmas Tree. Once there was a Christmas tree surrounded by elves. And then suddenly, the Christmas tree started moving. Oh no! Oh no! Why is this Christmas tree moving? It's because it wants to dance. Dancing, I'm the dancing Christmas tree with elves that's dancing around. Oh, oh, it's the Christmas tree that's dancing around. Dance, 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 dancing. Here, where's your lollipop? This elf has the magic silver shoes. Yeah. Rocco, give the magic Christmas tree the packages. Zuli, you want to help the other elf? Get packages. Bring a package to me. I'm the Merry Christmas tree.
Wait.
Oh, thank you. This is for Carolyn Odin. Oh, thank you. This is for Secret Santa. Oh, thank you, little elf. Oh, this is a heavy one for Marianne Rosso. I am Merry Christmas Tree. This is for Margie Gold. Oh, thank you. This is for Rain Bryce. Bring the magic Merry Christmas Tree a package. Oh, thank you. This is for Madam Swollen. Thank you, and this is for me. Oh my God, I love it. All done. Oh, thank you. We are all done. Little elves, come here. Come here, little elves. Come here, little elves. We're done. We're done. This is for Rocket and Zuli. Oh, we're going out of control here. Oh, this is for Attajal from Rocket. All right. Okay. We are back here in step 1. This is a card, and you guys are saying bye.
Bye, don't forget.
Bye.
Try to guess what got it. The one what comes after 9, 10.
Awesome.